This is Force 13 with another update on Tropical Cyclone Owen. And he is currently moving inland over the northern interior of Queensland and weakening. The warning zone is for the northern interior of Queensland, including Croydon and Georgetown. That's at 10 AM local time. Category 1, sustained winds in the centre, 85 kilometres an hour with wind gusts to 120 kilometres per hour. And within 55 kilometres to 17 degrees east, correction south, 142.6 degrees east, estimated to be 175 kilometres east northeast of Normanton, 175 kilometres northwest of Georgetown, tracking southeast at 22 knots. The cyclone crossed the southeast coast of Gulf of Carpentaria between Kowanyama and the Gilbert River Mouth at around 3 AM local time this morning. Here's the current Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre's chart, and the information is now coming out of the Brisbane office. Bureau Meteorology has a severe weather warning in place for damaging winds, heavy rainfall for the North Tropical Coast, Tablelands, parts of the Peninsula, Northern Goldfields, Upper Flinders and Herbert, and Lower Burdekin forecast districts. Now we have a look at the upper level divergence, and it's actually increased. It's up around 30 knots, and wind shear is to drop probably Monday of next week. The red's unfavourable, green is favourable. The 850 millibar vorticity, you can clearly see where the tropical cyclone is currently located. The 24-hour shear tendency, and this particular image shows that the wind shear is to drop. Now we have a look at the total forecast of rain for days 1 through 8. The intensity or the rainfall scale is on the right hand side of the screen. And I'm keeping an eye on the area in purple, which is to the east of Mackay and north of Fraser Island. Now here's a look at the NOAA floaters. Joint Typhoon Warning Center shows animated and enhanced infrared satellite imagery. Shows a compact system that has maintained a small central dense overcast despite traversing the Cape York Peninsula of Australia. The initial intensity of 45 knots is based on the small but persistent CDO feature, in which cloud tops have warmed since the system was over water. Environmental analysis shows that CO5P is experiencing favourable vertical wind shear 5 to 10 knots. Excellent poleward outflow, but northeasterly flow aloft is also impinging on the system, limiting equatorward outflow. The cyclone has moved east-southeast in the last 6 hours along the western periphery of a near equatorial ridge to the east. There's the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre's chart, and we have a look at total precipitable water. Force 13's AU channel will continue to bring the latest information and additional information not provided in this update.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.